Let's go. I can hardly wait for it. Pushing for a long time. Let's go. I still believe I'll get through the long night. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they shine a light down on you? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they shine a light down on you? The future is golden. Let's go. Hey oh, na 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 na. Hey oh, let's go. Hey oh, na 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 na. I still believe I'll get through the long night. I'm digging deep into a new height. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they shine a light down on you? The future is golden. The future is gold. The future is golden. The future is gold. The future is gold. Making magic every day that I got alright. Automatic all the way to the top, alright. The future is golden. The future is gold. The future is gold. The future is golden.
The heartbeat pounding through your soul,
Flowers in there.
and being there to feel it first.
Step ko, ganun na.
The softest skin and the spot I fit. The morning
Ngayong hapon ay ating pong matutunghayan ang pag-iisang dibdib ng dalawang taong nagmamahalan, si Mark Alexis at Shenaline.
Mrs. Ko, I want to start by saying I love you so much and I'm sorry it took so long. Hindi dahil matanda na tayo, but we started this journey so young.
I really considered myself really lucky having to meet you at an early age in high school, let alone marry the same person 13 years later.
the world flying by. I wanna watch it with you. Come with me.
May watch dyan ha. Pupunuin niya, bibigay niya sa akin. May balisong niya. Supply mo. Hi!
Epe puri.
For Rodolfo. Nanay.
Ang ganda pero ganito yung buhat mo. Makargado na kami.
Sa isang quote na nabasa ko, ang sabi ay ganito, a successful marriage requires a mix of commitment, communication, and compassion. At ito ang nais makita ng Diyos sa inyong dalawa.
Over this past 13 years, nakita natin kung paano tayo nag-grow together, nangarap together, siyempre, tumaba together.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, Mr. Ko, for always choosing us. Our relationship na kahit na dumadating tayo sa point na parehas na tayong gustong sumuko. At the end of the day, pinapaalala mo sa akin na, di ba, hindi naman natin choice yung maghiwalay.
Come with me.
May simple gift lang ako sa inyo. Yun nga, watch. For ano.
Uy, ang ganda.
Totoo yan ha. Sabi mo.
Ano lang po to, simple gift, Mama, for everything that you have done for all of us. I know na mahirap yung buhay dati kasi 5 kami. Pero alam kong yung hirap muna mapagtapos kami lahat. And then, it pays off.
Ayoko umiyak na. Iyak. Masaya lang ako. Para sa kanilang lahat. Aking mga anak ko. Wala sila.
Advice, lagi kayong magmahalan at lagi kayong magdarasal para sa relasyon ninyo ay
Mahalin mo yung asawa mo, katulad ng pagmamahal ko din sa mama mo.
I'm very lucky na saksihan niya yung wedding ko. Yun nga, sa side ni Shens is wala na yung father niya. Pero yun, thank you.
Dahil kaya ako siya in-include dito sa picture para kasama ko pa din siya mag-walk sa aisle. Kahit wala na siya ngayon, dito pa rin yung presence niya. Yun lang.
Masaya siya. Masaya siya para sa pamilya niya. Kaya masaya ako para sa kanila. At sa magiging apo ko pa. Dagdag ako.
Stars all align when you
And now, as your Macy's, I promise to you that I will love you with all of my heart. And if there's a chance, pipiliin ko pa din ang buhay na to na kasama ka sa pagtanda.
I promise to always be your partner in creating the life that we want together. To support you and to be by your side through every highs and lows.
How can I explain the way you're everything I've prayed for? God smiled down on me. He's giving me my biggest blessing. You and me.
I promise that I will be the best wife I can be. Pero sorry na agad dahil hindi pa ako marunong magluto at maglaba. Sorry na, Disney princess yung pinakasalan mo.
See you, I know it's true. Heaven came to me. Our hearts colliding, our lives uniting. The biggest gift to me.
I have loved you since I was 16. I love you today, and I will love you for all our tomorrows. My first and last, you're the decision that I never doubt.
Mr. Ko, those 13 years are the best years of my life and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much, Mr. Ko. And to the start of our forever. Thank you. I love you.